Good morning, everybody. Let me get a quick hello. Keith, James, Tracy. Good. All right, well, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday the 23rd, and only one more day till Christmas Eve, and then it's Christmas, so you know the market is closed here. Tomorrow is a half a day. So just keep in mind that as a half a day, tomorrow the market will be closed at 1. So happy holidays to everybody. And just kind of let you know, yesterday was a phenomenal, and I'm not making this stuff up. Yesterday kind of probably paid for the whole week's worth of work. We had some really big winners that had some really nice movers. I know a lot of you did take off early yesterday because of the good winners. We're going to check those stocks out, and then we're going to go shopping and look at some stocks like the ARIA and some of the other ones. All right, so let's look at some of the stocks that we traded yesterday. The ACHN. Let me just bring this over here, make a 2-day chart. ACHN was a nice big winner. That was also, you know, you could see how it kind of like had that big bounce right at the open, had a really nice move right there for about $2. CNET, another big winner. That was probably the nicest one. Every single one of you should have got this one yesterday. It was a level 1 stock. It was probably one of the best level 1 stocks I've seen in probably since September, which is this one again. Very cheap stock, good movement. That was actually a big call for me yesterday. Cuba had a really nice pop over the course of the day. It didn't have legs early in the morning, but it did make its move. Taser was also another big winner. I still like Taser going into today. Taser's been awfully strong. I think we all talked about it yesterday. Taser did get a contract, so which we all expected that to happen. And you could see it had a really nice big move right there. And last but not least, Caesar's Palace had a really nice pop early in the morning. That thing ran, and they all ran for about a minimum of $2 each. So you know what? We're not looking to hit the $2 winners. I mean, as much as we'd like to make $2 on 1,000, make $2,000 a day, which is $500,000 a year. Listen, if you got 10-20% of that move, you did pretty damn well. All right. So, oh my God, I left too much on the table. Tim's saying, you know what, Tim? Listen, don't ever look back and think that way. You know what? You know, you can't, there's an old saying that I tell everyone, you can't go broke taking profits, all right? So always keep that in mind. All right, so that's yesterday. What's going on for today? Well, just to kind of let you guys know, Facebook has obviously been very strong lately, very dangerous. When stocks break all-time highs, these things still go up. I know some of you holding it as a swing trade is doing pretty damn well, so we're looking pretty good on that. Microsoft obviously making some comeback. We're just looking at some of those swing trades. Oil obviously taking a big hit, but it did come back a little bit. Looks like Dow's hitting for 18,000, aiming for it. Line, we know about this stock. The stock took a big hit, coming back a little bit. I like Line. I'm going to keep that one on the watch list. It's been really nice. Line. And you can see GoPro's doing pretty good after seeing what's happened with Taser. Taser and GoPro trade side by side. So if you haven't figured that out yet, well, guess what? It does. All right. Now, those are a couple of the swing trades that we were looking at, and also have been good day trades. Now, what's going on for over the course of the day? Well, there are a couple of good stocks that are making big moves. This stock came out with earnings. You could see this pharmaceutical stock after hours went from 12 up to 14, and but it's got some good movement. It's got good volatility. It's, you know, I don't know how tradable it's going to be. I'm not giving it a level 1, definitely. Could be level 2, maybe even level 3. But VNDA, nice stock, nice trend, nice movement, everything we're looking for. This stock, 200,000 shares, great pre-market trading, up 19%. This one's got a good spread. It could be level 1 minimum. But it could be level 2. You could see the stock ran from 4 back in August up to 11. A lot of you guys should remember this stock. We've traded this stock. We did really well. Guess what? She's back in a move again. So, just made the Fausto list. This one right here, the CYTK, this stock took a big hit from 13 down to 4. It's right now starting to fill in the gap, which is really big. When it starts filling in the gap, look for the highs right around 660. So CYTK, another really nice stock on the top of the list. This one, decent volume, level 1 stock, iCloud. The stock's been on a big downtrend. First day it's up. Not too crazy about the pre-market. So for level 1 traders, this stock might be up your alley, but for me, it's last on my list of stocks that I like to trade. We all know about the ARIA. This one is a level 2 stock, ARIA. Put that one on top of my list. I know some of you have already been trading it since 8:30 this morning. I don't know who here got it. Didn't make a big move yet. I mean, it's only up 15 cents from that time, but it's okay. Dryers, a level 1 stock. Everyone can afford to trade this stock. I talked about it yesterday. The only way you can make money trading dryers, you got to trade 5,000, 10,000 shares of the stock. It's very difficult. Stock's very slow, but dryers, you can make money on it. Very cheap, inexpensive stock. On the losers list, there's really nothing there. On the New York Stock Exchange, on the gainers, what we got going on there, NQ is obviously got a big Fausto flag right there. It's got some good, it's holding here pretty strong between 4 and 410, so you can put NQ. We've traded this stock in the past. Some of you remember NQ also. Doesn't look like any ETFs made the New York Stock Exchange gainers today, huh? Wow, that's a first. On the losers side, don't know if this is really true, but down 39%, $1.60. If it is true, look for a dead cat bounce right around here, around 250. Looks like it's right around that price. You can see what's happening in pre-market right now. So, you know me, I love bottom fishing, and I'm not talking about the fish itself. I'm talking about, I do like the bottom fish too. It's one I like flukes and flounders, my favorite. But let's look on the stock side. This stock could actually make a hell of a comeback. All right, so that pretty much ends what we're looking at right there. Also, keep an eye on Cuba. All right, you know Cuba also. It's been having some great volatility. This stock we traded the last couple of days from 7 to 14. She backed off a little bit, but Cuba's been having some really good volatility lately. All right, so a couple of stocks. Anything that I'm missing? All right, so anybody want to post any stocks you want me to check out? Line from Mark. We already know about that one. Line. We'll put it on our watch list, but I'm not too crazy about it right now. We already got a good list. Listen, there's 25,000 stocks out there. You can't trade every single one of them. RAD, yeah, I saw RAD. RAD, we're doing great with that stock. You know, I still own RAD. You know, I own it. Yeah, there it is. I own RAD at 670, so I owned it from yesterday. I still own it. I also own this the KEG. It's a little cheapy right here. These are little like level 1 stocks that I'm owning. But yeah, I'm going to put RADE on that list. RAD, you know, on that list right there. CY, good volatility, good volume. It's breaking new highs, but it's not doing any pre-market, so I'll put that last on my list. On my list. CHK, good volume, good movement. It's, you know, this stock is obviously going to be trading what's going on with oil, so I would be very careful trading this one. It's going to be, looks like it's going to be pretty vile. Guild Sciences, absolutely not, Nick. Nick, I know you're a trial member. You're just here, you're here observing. I wouldn't trade Guild Sciences. You know, go out. If you want to go risk $98,000, go right ahead. I'd rather go risk, you know, $5,000, $10,000, make the same amount of money. JRJC from Grant. Yeah, that's a good stock, Grant. I mean, we pick that one. It's already on the list. I got that one, Grant. Good call. PBR. No volume. I mean, the volume's great, but she's not doing anything. DRL, you know, is that what it is? A DRL Financial Corp? No, it's not an ETF. It would say it. VNDA, we know VNDA very well. VNDA, I have it on my list. You weren't listening. Already picked that one. OREX, no problem, Justin. CBAK, no. Nothing going on right now. I mean, it's up 125%. You know, this is, I don't know. These are all late prints. CNET. Let's not go back and trade something we already made money on yesterday. It's not doing anything right now. Listen, guys, you got a good list. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's more than enough than we need, all right? So we got 11 stocks, everyone should be able to capture one of them. I gave you the levels. Let's see if we can make money with it. Okay, once again, guys, listen, good luck today. Let's make some money. Work together like a team. Share your picks. Share what stocks that you're in. If you see something that looks a little suspicious, share it with the group. Keep an eye on those high-frequency trades. Remember, we're going into the slow time of the season. And if I don't see you guys, I know a lot of you guys are going to be taking off after today. So if I don't see anybody here, like I said, wish you all a very happy holidays. And this is what we train for. We train to make money, to enjoy time off with our families, because families first, everybody. And always remember that. And this is what you train for. You train to make your days pay and take times off when times are slow. In the meantime, I'm going to be here. If you're going to be here, I'm not going to be taking off. You remember, you're always going to be connected with us with Twitter and the text messaging. You can always also access the room with your phone if you just want to say hi. But in the meantime, enjoy your vacation for some of you. And for everybody else, let's try to make some money working together. Happy holidays, everybody, and happy trading today.